Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Zay, and today it is Friday. Big day for us. Today is Friday. We're already in the trade. I have a limit up here as well, but as of now, I'm going to just keep it where it's at. I think I'm going to keep it small too. If we see a break above right here, I'll probably close out most of my position and load up to get up in here. For me, I'd rather take a loss than put myself in a predicament where it's too big of a stop loss, right? So I understand what I'm risking here, and it seems to be moving in our favor. I have a trade in on US30. I got in up top right here, just for the simple fact that I know that we're at this level up top, right? So let's see here. We're in probably, let me pull it up for sure. Now this is a risky trade on US30. I'm thinking about just getting out of it and focusing on NAS right now. But we are up pretty big on US30 right now. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Yeah, we're up about 30 pips, 28 pips on US30. So we're in a pretty good area right here. And then on NAS here, we're up about 13 pips. And that's about right. So we'll see what it gives us right here. I'm gonna focus, man, maybe I should do, no, I'm gonna focus on NAS. US30 is a little risky right now, so I understand that. It's making its way down pretty quickly. Bless you. Yeah, I don't want to do too much, so we'll just focus on NAS right now. And I'll keep my eye on US30 because I'm in profit pretty well right now. I'm up about 40 pips, 40, 40, 42 pips, 40 pips. So we'll see what the market gives us, if it gives us anything right now. See what happens. See what happens. All right, go time. See what the market's going to give us right now. We're up pretty big right now. And not big, but we're up right now, so that's a good thing on NAS. Has to break through the EMA right here, right? If it uses this as support, then we know there's a good chance it makes it back up top to the next ILC. So we got to be mindful of that. All right, let's go. Come on, finish through, finish through. And this is just a higher low, so we got to understand that. All right, let's go. Let's go. Closing shit out right now on US30. All right, let's go. It's moving pretty quickly on both of them. That was a big rejection. Right here, we need to see a break through this. Right, this is on the, we're pretty good right now, so I'm happy about that. Stops to break even. Yeah, one of Trader Demon, shout out to Trader Demon. He's I've been we kind of learned the strategy together, the golden rule strategy or golden zone strategy. And he was saying that there's an 80%, I haven't looked into it, but he was saying that there's an 80% chance, 80% probability that the US would go into a recession, which, oh no, look at that rejection. Both of these are pulling up on us, US30 and NAS. Um, let's see what happens right here. I've secured profits on most of this shit, so let's see. That's a big rejection on both of these. But let's see if it could stay under for now, and we'll go from there. I'd like to take this down here. See if it gives us that US30. It's a big rejection off of this EMA right here, along with this resistance to support area, right? We can clearly see it's a resistance to support right here. But if it can, use these areas, these ILCs that it had previously used as resistance to fall off, maybe we could see that again. But, now that I think about it, I think I'm going to get out of this US30 trade for the simple fact that this high, this lower high was broken here. Then we've seen, let's see, a retracement. What is that? Yep, right in the golden zone retracement. Is there an ILC right here? There's not an ILC, but I'm sure on the 1 minute there is. Yeah, right here, right? So let's see if this thing can hold up. If it doesn't, you can see an engulfing candle here on the 1 minute. I'd like to see it come down, but if it doesn't, if this area, kind of test out right here, then we'll go ahead and get out of the trade. All right. You can see it's kind of moving up already. But let's see if it can continue down, make its way down. Damn, Nas came all the way back and took me out. I didn't even notice it. Whoa, stops were at break even. Oh, they weren't. Motherfucker. But we're up pretty big on US30. But let's see. Yeah, Nas looks like it's maybe getting out of here right now. Let's see how it reacts right here. I'm not out of the trade yet. I thought I moved my stops to break even here, but I didn't. But oh yeah, it's moving. Damn. I'm gonna just get out of this trade right now. We're not up or we're not down a lot, but let's just focus on what's making me money right now, which is the US30. So, but you can see it's probably gonna move up to the next level. Um, probably closed a lot of my trade here, but doesn't have to. I still have my sell limit up top, but I just wanted to get out of the trade and focus on what I have going right here. That's kind of moving for me right now, which is this US30 trade. Both of them could be moving up. You can see US30 still rejecting right here. I like that it fell out of this box right here, but if it can break below, then we're really in business. I'm gonna keep Nas up top right here on this side, sorry, because I still do have my sell limit in for US30, so we'll see what happens. Oh, Nas is still respecting right here. Still respecting the zone, still respecting this area. And it could, I think actually Nas is the better trade, but I think it might be moving up to the next slot. To the next ILC up top right here. And once it does, I'm in this bitch. But damn, it might not even make it out of here. Oh, let's see. Get back in that bitch. Let's see. If it gets, oh, might not. It might just fall off. This is a key area though, right? With the EMAs. Okay, let's go. Yeah, yesterday when I was doing my trade journal, I noticed that I do that a lot. Okay, let's go. See if US30 is following suit. Oh, still pushing up right here. US30 probably has a better chance of falling than Nas. I mean, Nas probably has a better chance of falling than US30 does, but you can see the respect and rejections there. But I'm at break even, so if it does come up, it does come up. Nas is looking pretty good right now. It took like $160 loss for no reason. Um, but I'm in it again, and we'll see if it falls. I'll show you exactly where I'm at right now in this trade. Somewhere down here. I'm at, let's fucking go. Damn, that thing's falling right now. I'm up 28 pips. 31. Yeah, that's about right. Now, if it doesn't get through here again, then we know that probably not going to get through here. See what happens. Both of these are in profit. Another rejection off the EMA, which I don't like here, but we'll see if it gives us something. If it breaks through here, right? Second time around, hopefully. There's 26 seconds left. So if we could see this push down right now, then we're in business. Let's go. Perfect. I like the way the 5 is finishing right now. If it can continue down, we are golden. Let's see if it could stay below. Right here, right? We could see a little bit of resistance. ILC right here. So hopefully it can stay below. Ours is still coming down right now a little bit. I'm honestly happy with today's work. So we'll see what happens right here. If we can see it hold up right here, and we got a long way to go down here, which would be nice. If it can hold up. Alright. Come on. It looks good. Fucking guy, man. No way. Son of a bitch. We'll see what happens right here. I like the way the 5 minute finish. It's still good. I just don't like our entry right here. I'm not at break even yet, but that's not good. So we'll see how it reacts right here. US30 is just falling right now, so that's a good thing for me, but that looks good. You guys were able to hop back in. See if this thing can hold up right here. Both of these I'm gonna just leave, so we'll see what happens. And that's one of my major issues is I pull out profits way too early. I take my losses way too early, and I need to be more patient to let those play out. But it's so hard when you got two going on. So I really want to stop doing that too. Stop messing around with two different um, with the looks good so far. Oh shit, son. Holy shit, that thing's falling, boy. That's crazy. Nas looks kind of like it's headed back up. Damn, this is crazy right here. I guess what we're seeing, probably on the bigger time frames, is that M formation. But usually you see it a little backwards. Like you usually see the right side of the M up a little bit higher, excuse me, than the lower side, than the left side, previous side. Let's fucking go. All right, so it broke this low. If it breaks this low right here, then we're really in business. But I mean, this is where I was kind of looking to take profit was on top of this, right? And 1 hour. So the 1 hour EMA is here now. So it's kind of lining up perfectly to reject this area right here. So we'll see what the market gives us, you know. All right. Damn, that shit's flying. Broke that low, which I do like. Um, wasn't expecting that. Not necessarily like that. I had some positions in there. Man, what a day. Man, it's a beautiful trade. It's Friday. I think we get up out of here, guys. Shit, fire. Let's see. That usually happens whenever US30 breaks the support. I was saying it yesterday, or NAS. Usually, what it does is it gets the breakout traders pretty quickly. So, okay, you can see NAS is still doing what it's doing. Might be coming down again right here. Look at that. It is coming down. It took me out. I mean, I lost a few dollars, but it took me out. But look at that. It's starting to make its way down. So if you're in either of these trades, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go. Both of them called live, which usually doesn't happen, but I'll take it. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Let's go. Man, I wish I was still in this because this just looks beautiful. And it looks like it could fall off pretty fucking good. I'm not in this trade, but you can see it's moving pretty quickly. Kind of like US30 right here. So not too bad, not too bad. And then the low broke right here. Damn, did it just hit it? 5 minute. Doesn't look so great. That doesn't look so good, right? Ours looks pretty good to continue down. So either way, this one's in profit if you guys are in it. Congratulations. You're up about, is that 50 pips? US30, if you're in it, you're up about, I mean, even if you got in right here at this area, right, at this ILC, boom, see, you'd be up about, pips, so that ain't bad, you know. So hopefully you guys were able to hop in, take these trades, see why I took them. But let's go. I don't like that, but maybe we just see it fall off right now. It's a very good day though. It's one of my best days in a long time. It's my highest come. See if it can make it down. Break below here. Looks good. All right, I like that. Hopefully it can continue down. Oh no! Who's that? Who's that? Who is that? Good morning. Hi, Daddy. Good morning. Say good morning, Zuko. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Huh? Damn, it's rejecting again right off that support level. But the only thing that kind of has me in here is that it's, it broke the low. So with that being said, I would expect a continuation down. Doesn't mean it doesn't have to do that, just because we know overall this thing is moving up, right? It's just a constant continuation up. But let's see if it can continue down, fall off, we'll be good. And then next week we have the rate hikes, I believe. I think they're on Tuesday or Wednesday. We're going to see a rate hike. I'm assuming we're going to see a rate hike. That's what is expected. So Monday, flash manufacturing, flash services. Tuesday, consumer confidence, manufacturing index. And then Wednesday, we got the federal rates for FOMC. So next week, quarter over quarter, GDP. Damn, yeah, we have a big week next week on Thursday. Yeah, next week's going to be a huge week, so we got to be mindful of that. Huh? You found the car? Yeah. Vroom, vroom. Yeah, it doesn't look to be doing what I want it to be doing right here. I might just close it out. I might, but let's see. If I go to the 1 minute and it's under the 20 EMA, oh yeah, we're still golden. But you can see it is kind of setting up on this support level right here, right? Like it's kind of using it as, it's using it as support. But if we can see it reject this area, or even these areas, I don't want it to go this high, but if it does, hopefully it rejects it. Because we got the EMAs up top, everything up top, so it doesn't necessarily have to come down right now. See what it does. At this point, I might just get lazy and not lazy, but I might just stop loss in the profit, maybe just above the EMA, the 1 minute EMA right here. We got the 5 minute below that, so the 1 minute should be the safest option, right above here. Put your stop loss just above that, and then if it does make its way all the way back up here, then the trade. We already pulled profit, so it doesn't really matter, but or pull it here, or set the TP here. There's a couple ways to do it, but just what's up, dude? Cracker? You know what? They're no good, dude. Look at the date. It says July 2nd, 2023. That was like 3 weeks ago. I think they're too old and they've never been opened. Go ask mama. Babe, the date on that box is pretty old. 3 weeks. I don't know if they're still good or not. See, came up to the 20 EMA right here and just a quick tap. It could still come up, but you can see that at least there's sellers still in here. So, but you can kind of see it moving up right now. So if you're in the trade, you could pull out if you're done. I'm happy with my profits for today, so I'm interested to see if it could continue down. Because if it can continue down, then we're in business. But you could already see the rejections here on the 5 minute forming. Let's see how the 15 minutes playing out real quick. I mean, 15 minutes still looks pretty good, but big rejection again. But what I like is that all these lows have been broken. Now, doesn't mean that we're automatically still down. We could see it reject this area and still make its way up, kind of what it did here. But um, I'm interested to see if it can make it down here, past this, like to the ILC right here. See this ILC? So if it can make it down here, that's 260. Yesterday, I pulled out my entire trade at 100 pips, and NAS went about 300 pips for my entry. So yeah, there's that. So that's probably a reason why I'm holding it today, but we'll see what happens. Ooh. Oh, let's see if Nas is still in play. Looks to be moving up a little bit. Nas still in play. I wonder if this is still valid right here. Little frozen. Oh yeah. Still up about 55 pips on this position if you stay in it. I would say it's on its way now that it's under the EMA right here. Under the 15-minute EMA, I'd say we got a good shot of making it down to this 123 mark right here. But if not that, at least here, 82 pips. That'd be a good little TP right there. Even right here would be a good TP, but I took profits here for this specific reason that it shot back up. But looks good too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 70 pips and counting. Hopefully US30 is doing the same thing. I don't think it is though. Oh, it's way up. So you can see how NAS and US30 kind of do the opposites, and you got to be able to navigate those. But I think we're good. Man, 4 concurrent viewers, 7 views on right now. Thank you guys for tuning in with me this week. This week was a big week for all of us if you were trading with me. Thank you guys. If you guys could give me some feedback, either here or preferably on Instagram, some feedback of what you guys thought, what you learned, what you didn't learn, something that you think could help me, all that would work. So appreciate you guys for tuning in with me this week. It was a great week. We had everything documented, everything live. So yeah, appreciate you guys, man. What a week. You guys have a good one. That's fucking